A lawyer for former Hunter Biden associate Devon Archer threatened to release the transcript of Archer's interview with House lawmakers if they did not fairly characterize his testimony, according to a letter obtained by the messenger. The July 24 letter from Archer's lawyer to members of the House Oversight Committee was sent 1 week before Archer spoke to investigators on Monday behind closed doors. In the letter, Archer's lawyer laid out ground rules for his client's interview and asked that the transcript not be made public as a part of any political or media relations exercise, to guard against the possibility that Mr. Archer's statements will be publicly released in a way that does not fairly characterize what he said. You have agreed to provide to me a watermarked copy of the transcript of Mr. Archer's interview. Matthew L. Schwartz, Archer's attorney, said in the 6-page letter, I will release the transcript, in whole or in part, only as is necessary to correct any public misrepresentations about the content of Mr. Archer's interview. A spokesperson for Oversight Committee Republicans told the messenger they provided the transcript to Archer's attorney for a chance to review, and that he did not provide any corrections. He also did not provide any response and did not request an extension. The spokesperson said. The committee released the transcript after the deadline passed. Archer's lawyers never told Republicans that they would release their copy of the transcript beyond what was said in the letter. A GOP source with knowledge of the situation said Republicans touted Archer as a bombshell witness in their probe of the Biden family and their finances. Archer served on the board of a Ukrainian energy firm, Bury SMA, at the same time as Hunter Biden. President Joe Biden's son. Republicans have alleged that through the son's work for Bury SMA, the Bidens participated in a bribery scheme to advocate for the firing of a Ukrainian prosecutor when Joe Biden was vice president. Republicans on the Oversight Committee released the transcript of Archer's testimony on Thursday, but the letter from Archer's team indicated that his camp was ready to release it themselves. With 24 hours notice to the committee, the letter also said Archer and his team would be given the opportunity to review and correct the transcript of the interview. Republicans released the 140 pages of Archer's interview on Thursday after lawmakers on both sides of the aisle emerged from the interview early this week, claiming radically different conclusions. GOP Rep. Andy Biggs of Arizona emerged from the interview on Capitol Hill Monday claiming Archer told the co-MMITTE that Bury SMA would have gone out of business sooner if the Biden brand had not been invoked. The official transcript shows Archer did say something similar, but made clear it was his personal speculation. My only thought is that I think Bury SMA would have gone out of business if it didn't have the brand attached to it, Archer said. According to the transcript, that's my only honest opinion, but I have no basis for any. Never heard any conversations. Archer conceded in the interview that the Biden brand included the president. I don't think about it as, Joe directly, but it's fair. He said that's fair to say, obviously. That brought the most value to the brand. The released transcript also confirms what lawmakers said about Archer claiming Hunter Biden put his father on the phone while he was with business associates a number of times over the years. But Archer also said they never talked about business, and that Biden had no direct link to Bury SMA. Republicans framed the interview as evidence that Biden lied when he said he had no knowledge of his son's business dealings, while Democrats said it was further proof that the GOP has no link tying Biden to any wrongdoing. The messenger has reached out to Archer's legal team for comment. Lindsey McPherson contributed to this report.